This video is gonna make you cry. You're not ready to watch it.
My late grandmother gave me a secret message. What happened next will shock you. I love my grandmother so much, I would go visit her in Brooklyn every weekend. Before she passed, she used to whisper a phrase in Igbo in her sleep all the time. She was fading mentally, so I didn't think much of it until she spoke her last words. The same phrase she would murmur in her sleep. I couldn't write in Igbo, and I only understood a few words, but I wrote down the sounds of her phrase phonetically as best I could. Upset at myself for never asking her what it meant, I made it my mission to find out. I spent the rest of the year learning fluent Igbo, determined to decipher the message. It felt like I was tapping into a secret, hidden superpower within myself to solve a mystery. And then one day, months later, I finally got it.
Chinezo echiche m na ndụ m ikpeazụ bụ ka iwe aṅụrị n'afọ Igbo gị mụtakwa ka esi asụ Igbo. My dying wish is for you to embrace your name and learn the Igbo language.
Oh my God!
As I read the message, a tear fell out of my eye. Comment culture if you love your culture.